How to export your video with high quality on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now you can upload a new video or just choose from your drafts. Like me, I'm gonna choose, for example, this video. Now if you want to, after you finish your editing and you want to export your video with high quality, go to the top here, click on this and make sure it's on 1080p pixels here, and here choose the frame rate as you want. For example, if you want it more smoother, you can take it to 60, and if you want it 50, 30, you have the option. Just you can make it 24. This doesn't change the quality, but this does. Make sure this is on the high definition and then click export. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.